Hello ma'am, good morning. So this is Ella model, 5 bedrooms with 3 toilet and baths. Naka-nice aning Ella model is naay master's bedroom sa first floor. So naadiri atong sudlon ang Ella model. Ang floor area ni Ella model is 100 square meters and then ang minimum lot area is 121 square meters. Pero pwede ka mopili og mas dako nga cut sa lot. So, daring side, ang imuhang living area sa left side, and this on the right side is your dining area. And then, napo diri imong kitchen area. So, this is just a model house, a dressed up unit. So, upon turnover, walay apil ang furniture and mga appliances. So, daring side is napod kay maid's quarter, maid's room or guest room. And napoy access nimo sa back sa imong house. And then, naadiri nga side, beside the stairs, ang imuhang common toilet and bath. Ang naka-special ani ni Ella model is designed yun siya nga ang master's bedroom naa sa first floor sa balay. So, this is the master's bedroom. And your master's bedroom naa kay own toilet and bath. See ya! So, very accessible lang. Kagawas nimo, nanya imuhang dining and living room. So, let's go to the second floor. Pag saka nimo diri sa second floor, so naay isa ka toilet and bath diri Common siya sa tulo ka bedrooms nga naa diri sa second floor. So, this is the bedroom number 1. Ang bedroom number 1, naay access siya diri sa balcony. Ano siyang balcony. So that is the entrance of Camellia. And as you can see kana is mo ng Caraga State University, mo niyang ilahang gym. So ang Camellia Primabut 1 is just beside Caraga State University. Maupod niyang bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. So, tanan bedrooms diri sa second floor, isa lang ilang toilet diri sa second floor.